Right now we're going to be looking at trying to graph this equation. I've got it down here, the one in green. We're going to graph that equation and we're going to try to find the vertex of it. And this is using the TI inspire, so this only works for the inspire, but here's our equation down here, and what we want to do is we want to go ahead and type that one in. And so I'll do that now. I'm just going to write negative. Remember, this is your negative sign. Don't use the minus sign, but the negative. 3. X is down here toward the bottom. These are all your alpha keys. Squared plus 6x, 6x plus 2. Okay, when I have that entered in there, you'll see this is our f of x. That's our function notation. Then we'll hit enter, and it'll kind of give us a graph here. And we're going to look at this graph now. And we want to try to find the vertex. And the vertex is either the highest or the lowest point. In this case, it would be the highest point because this is a graph. This is a frowny face. This opens down. So we're looking for the highest point. The way we'll do that on the calculator is by looking for the maximum, the very maximum point on this graph. So we'll go in here to our menu button. And this drops down a menu for us. We want to go to Analyze Graph. And we're looking for the maximum. We're looking for the maximum because this one is a frowny face. Then if this one were a smiley face, we'd be looking for the minimum. Now down here in the lower left-hand corner, it says lower bound. So we're looking for the left-hand side of the vertex. We know the vertex is going to be somewhere around there. We're going to look at the left-hand side. So as long as you click anywhere along here, that's where we'll start. Now it says upper bound. Now notice whenever I move this, that my cursor creates the shaded in area. And what we're looking for, the computer is going to analyze this graph. Anywhere that it's shaded in, it will analyze the very maximum point in between that shaded in portion. So as long as we cover the vertex with that, we should be fine. So anywhere over here would be okay, and then we just click it there. And it tells you that the maximum point is right here at 1, 5. Okay, 1, 5 is our vertex, and we can look down here, and our vertex on that one was 1, 5. And we have to use parentheses in your answer, otherwise it will mark it wrong. Okay, and that's basically how you do it. You just go to the menu button, go to Analyze Graph, Maximum, lower bound, you just have to pick somewhere on the left-hand side. You go to the upper bound, somewhere on the right-hand side, and it magically finds it for you. There's our vertex, that 1, 5.